Hey, what's going on? Crypto Richie here hanging out with you today. We're going to be talking about sneakerheads, pump or dump. What's going on with this thing? Is it a pump and dump or a long-term project? If we take a look on OpenSea right now, let's actually go to the main page here. We are number 4 with sneakerheads. Okay, it just launched yesterday at 0.25 mint price. If we take a look at the website, so first thing I like to do when doing research on NFTs, basically, you're looking at the top NFTs, last 24 hours, you could go last 7 days to see a little bit more longer term projects, right? This is a new one. Check out the website. Okay, spend a good 30 minutes doing quick research, to see if it's something that you want to get into. Okay, so we got, an artist who drew these things, they got Twitter, Discord, Instagram. Obviously, we checked them all out. We got Instagram, 34,000 followers. They got videos. They got a bunch of posts. They got a lot of engagement. A lot of images. If we go to Twitter, looks like 313,000 followers. Now, if you guys know the sneaker collectible community, okay, these guys are rabid collectors and buyers and sellers. Huge community with the sneaker collector community, okay? And these guys are dipping into that community, okay? In fact, they're a part of that community. I've been doing research here on their Twitter, looking at it. These guys are really crazy about their sneakerheads. And there is also a nesting feature. Well, I call it nesting because I got moonbirds. It's basically staking, but they're calling it another word. I think like a boxing, what do they call it? They called it something to where you basically preserve it and you hold it instead of flipping it. And the longer you hold it for, the more rewards you're going to get. Like my moonbirds, because I was holding the moonbird NFT for a month, they sent us all hats and stickers. In the next 60 days, we're going to probably get some hoodies or whatever. Besides the airdrops, we already got airdrops some Moonbird oddities, which were literally for 8 Ethereum at the time of drop. When Ethereum was about 2,000, 2,200, literally had $16,000, $17,000 of free money just poured into my account. I sold one. I still have one. But, these guys are promising the same thing. A bunch of airdrops, rewards, merch, yada, yada, yada. If we look on Etherscan, so another thing I like to do is take a look at, you click this little Etherscan button here, and you can see the actual purchases. 3 minutes, 11, 20 minutes. These are people pretty much buying sneakerheads, trading sneakerheads. Okay, IG, Twitter, their Discord I also checked out. A lot of people in Discord. Okay, it's pretty active, obviously, because it's a new launch. Okay, so hey, if you want to get into it, you could get into it. I got it. I got one. Let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. Let me know what you're doing. What do you think about sneakerheads? I think it could become something. In fact, I found a couple guys here who are some OG crypto NFT guys, basically buying these things to hold them, to hodl them. Some guys who have Moonbirds, CryptoPunks, Clone X, Goblin Town, guys who are holding these NFTs, Bored Apes, they are holding these sneakerheads. So let me know what you think. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, who knows? I just bought in at the floor at 5.5 when the floor was 0.55. Currently, the floor is 0.575, kind of going up a little bit. If we check the activity, okay, 17 minutes ago, 21 minutes ago. They're not going crazy, but I think this thing is going to pump very, very soon. If we take a look at this one, 238 rank for 87. I've seen 2,000 rank sell for 1 Ethereum. Pretty crazy. If you take a look at it. Here, look at this one. This is a 3,200 ranking at 1 Ethereum. I think there's only... Let's double check it. Let's double check. I think there's only like 5,500 of these things. Let's see. How many total? Don't want to take up too much of your time here. I know you got other things to do. Stock 'em. So they're called stock 'em. Every sneakerhead shows when you buy a new pair, you're faced with the decision of rocking or stocking. As sneakers, the sneakerhead's NFT also had to come with a stocking feature that allows them to be locked and stored without leaving your wallet. The longer you stock, the more benefits you accumulate over time. So that's the staking feature that I was talking about. They're collaborating with a bunch of dudes. It looks pretty cool. I'm not going to go too much in depth here. I know, time is of the essence. You're not going to sit here all day. I'll have the links below in the video description so you can check it out, look into it. These are the sneakerhead community. Dude, they have conventions. People buy and sell sneakers at $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 sometimes. It's crazy. It's crazy. So I think they're onto something here. Who knows? What's the mint price? It minted at 0.25, a quarter of an Ethereum. How many of them are there? It'll probably tell you at our homepage in the bigger description. 5,000 items. Okay, 5,000 items. If we click buy now, 0.575 is the cheapest one right now. Okay, and if you have Trait Sniper, I highly recommend that you install it because you can see the rankings right here pretty quickly with Trait Sniper. Pretty cool. All right, so it's Crypto Richie here hanging out. I just got one. I might get another one. I don't know yet, or I might wait a couple days because it's pumping right now. It is pumping. The price could come down, but over the long term, I think these things could hold. I don't know. Who knows? Sometimes it's a hit and miss with NFTs, but this is a cool concept, especially with the staking feature. The locking, the boxing feature. And, you might end up with some cool stuff. All right, Crypto Richie here hanging out. If you're looking to get into NFTs, make money with crypto and NFTs, click the link over here to my site, cryptowaters.com, or down below to learn more on how you can profit flipping NFTs and getting into the crypto game. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Peace.